Hey there, it's Patrick. Today I'm going to show you something I see all the time in people with Parkinson's. I call it phone posture, and it drives me nuts. So I'm going to fix it. In order to fix it, we're going to have to do a quick posture lesson and briefly discuss mindful movement, practice, and behavior modification. Now, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you just found me, be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button below and ring the bell icon so you'll never miss a new video. All my DVD programs are available on Amazon or my website, but my new SmartXPD on-demand platform now gives you immediate access to anything I've ever produced and an exclusive library of growing content. You can test drive it for free by clicking the card up here in the corner, somewhere up here, and I'll also put a link to it in the description section below. Now, let's fix this problem. Okay, here we go. So if you have been in the Parkinson's community, you have definitely seen this before. Hello? Come on, right? We've all seen this. For some reason, Parkinson's draws us down, and coming down to the phone is making it worse. And I understand it's hard. We're naturally drawn down here. We have to learn to not go down to our devices, but to bring our devices up to us, standing in perfect posture. Okay, so in the intro I said we're going to do a quick posture lesson. Now I've got more in-depth videos on this, so I'm going to race through it pretty quickly. But in order to practice and improve your posture and understand how you should be moving, you have to understand intellectually and visually how we should place ourselves. So what we're going to do is quickly, from the ground all the way up to the top of the head, talk about 7 different locations that you can familiarize yourself with that will help you fix and improve your posture. So first thing we'll have you do is just rock back and forth, side to side. Try to position, don't look down. Try to position your feet side by side. I know like half of you just looked down already, at least half. Side by side, so your toes are straight, feet are straight ahead, hip width apart. We never want to put our feet together, ever. I don't even care for practicing balance, don't do it. We want a nice wide base of support. So go ahead and take a look down. Okay, as usual, my left toe's tilted out a little bit that way. It's okay, just want to know our tendencies. Our feet should be placed like this, hip width apart or slightly wider, pointed straight ahead. Up to the knees, second position. We want our knees not to be locked, but just slightly unlocked, so put them there. Hips should be level, and we're going to mobilize between an anterior and posterior pelvic tilt. If we imagine our belt line is a bucket of water, and we were to arch our back and spill it out to the front, that's an anterior tilt. If we're going to tuck our butt cheeks together and tuck the tailbone underneath and spill the water out the back, ooh, that feels good. That's a posterior tilt. And I'm going to have you mobilize back and forth between each position. As I like to say, you can practice this, just don't practice it on a crowded elevator. And an attempt to find what is perceived to be midway between anterior and posterior tilt. Now, we have that. We should have a nice little slope here on the lumbar spine and a nice little curvature. When we're in neutral, our spine is not straight. It's got like an S shape to it. And we're going to move on up. We're going to create a little hot spot here. I like doing this for kinesthetic reasons. Go ahead and wrap your fingertips on your clavicle. Ow, that's uncomfortable. I know. Just wrap it so you can feel it. There you go. Now lower your hands down and take that hot spot and tilt it up towards the ceiling a little bit as you pull your shoulder blades together and down, engaging that position I call ground zero. The most important location on your body if you have Parkinson's, the area between your shoulder blades. Check your hands. Your thumbs should be trained straight forward, your knuckles out to the side, your chin should be level, and these are the positions that you need to know to maintain proper posture. Take a big breath in, and without going out of position, really, just relax a little bit. Take a hitch off. That kind of releases the kind of soldier-esque feeling we have. But this is how we should be standing when the opportunity presents itself, in good posture. So, no longer will we hear our phone ring. Oh, somebody's calling. Who is it? Go down to it. Hello? No. We're going to remind ourselves, we talked about behavior modification in the beginning. This is in practice. We're going to have to practice this. When our phone rings, we're going to set our posture, we're going to go to our phone, and we're going to bring our phone up to us. Okay, you know, we can go here, a little slightly out of posture. That's not so concerning. What I want to avoid is the reinforcing of this terrible body position that's unbalanced and crooked. We just don't want to do it. So anyway, that's how we fix the problem. We don't go down to our devices. We stay up in our posture and we bring our devices to us. All right, that's it. Simple, right? You got to practice it. Behavior modification. Practice, practice, practice. Anyway, I hope you liked that. If you did, remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Keep moving, my friends. I'll see you at the gym. I'm Patrick.